All right, so we're gonna do a quick little video. Basically, we put out a short last week, Lauren asking me if I could power a tailgating trailer with like a TV, a refrigerator, and a couple of crock pots and
fan
and maybe some
stuff.
little stuff like that. And I told her,
Ooh, you know what would be cool to add? If we had one of those flat top grills or something
that would be cool.
for morning games.
Morning games, like for like a George Foreman? Oh, like a flat, okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, she put out a short asking me all the questions on what we would need to do that. And then everybody in the comments section basically said to build it. So we're gonna build it. And I think we're just gonna kind of come up with a quick plan today. That's all we're gonna do. And this is our trailer right back here. I don't even know what size it is. It's probably like a 5x8. There is a door on the back side and then a little door on the other side. So
Should we have a walk around? We haven't even looked inside of it.
no,
So that's gonna be a surprise.
yeah. So the last time I used this was whenever I took it down to North Carolina for the Hurricane Helene rescue and all that kind of stuff. I brought all the portable power stations in this down there, and that was like 2 years ago, right?
Yeah, it will be in
Yeah.
October.
It's been parked here ever since. I don't know if there's anything in it or not. Could be trash in there, I don't know.
Okay. Here's the trailer. Well, where's that tire go to? Is it
This
just
one?
a spare or
Yeah,
what?
it's a spare.
Does it go there?
I put it there. I made it go there.
Oh, okay.
So we have a side door right here,
Beautiful, Vanna.
and then we have the back door.
Back door.
And that's basically it, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's-
should we open it up and see
Yeah,
what's on the
I'm
inside?
scared. I'm scared of the smell. Things like this always have a weird smell.
I have no idea. Could be bugs in there, could be trash. Who
Oh,
knows?
I hope there's not like bees.
Bees! Bees in the car! Bees everywhere! God, they're huge! They're ripping my flesh off!
Oh,
Oh, it's empty. So just those two
it's
little...
completely.
foam
It's like
sheets.
almost clean. You could eat off the floor of this thing practically.
Just a bunch of like dead bugs in here, that's it.
Oh, dead bugs. You can't eat off the floor.
Yeah, should I open that other door? It smells like wood, that's it.
It does smell like wood.
This one's kind of stuck.
The door's stuck.
Oh, there it goes. I think I put new foam. Yeah, I put new foam around all these.
Oh.
I put LED lights going across the
Oh,
top edge here.
good. We'll need lights.
Those only turn on whenever it's hooked up to the truck, though.
Okay.
What are your big ideas?
Well.
I did have one idea.
Uh-oh.
That was okay.
Are
So
you keeping that secret ideas?
no,
There
just
should
the
be no
one.
secret
It was
ideas.
just the one idea that we would need like a little potty squatty type thing so you can go to the bathroom.
That would be really nice.
Because guys can go basically anywhere.
Yeah, but if you're tailgating and you're like in the middle of a parking lot,
Yeah, where are you
sometimes
gonna go?
There are not bathrooms.
There's no bathrooms typically.
And if there is a bathroom, there's a big long line.
Or it just smells really bad.
Or
Which
it's a bathroom
Devil's
you
Tower.
don't want to go into. Oh,
Yeah.
geez.
So that's what I was kind of thinking up there for that front door is maybe that make it to like a little bathroom or a toilet. So we might close it off like a little front room, if you will, a little front bathroom.
Would there be enough room for the rest of the trailer?
Yeah, because I mean we're not really using like this space for anything. So I think if we
Yeah,
put
we're using it to put stuff like
Well,
a
yeah, put-
table and chairs and stuff like that.
how big are those tables that we have? They're not too big though, right?
I guess we'll have to measure them.
Yeah, we'll have to measure them. But I was thinking like a wall here, and you can have this front little area as a little bathroom
Okay.
and
Yeah.
a light.
Yeah, we'll need
Yeah,
lights.
some lights up there. And then I think the rest of this would be open for the most part.
I think basically, I mean, it's where we would store things.
Yeah, it would just be storing things.
And the power station, obby.
Yeah, power station somewhere in here.
They'll walk past, they'll think nothing
Why
of it.
is it super
and then,
quiet?
Yeah, 5 cars later, they'll be like, wait a second, I didn't hear anything.
Yeah.
And we'll just be watching our TV with low volume on because, just kidding, it'll be high volume.
Okay. So, and you made up a little plan or some thoughts?
Yeah, I have a plan and some thoughts.
Okay, what are your plans and thoughts?
So this is the plan so far.
Tailgating trailer.
Tailgating trailer. Go
Okay.
Huskers.
Go Huskers.
This is the one side, that side, and then this is that side.
Yep.
And then this is the back door,
Okay.
and this is the side door.
Okay.
So in this back door,
It looks like a mailbox or maybe an
Oh.
RV.
it does. Should we paint it like a mailbox? And have a little flag that you can put up
Maybe.
when someone's in the bathroom?
Yes. Okay, anyway.
So I was thinking it would be really cool if we put like a stopper on this door so that it only opened
So far.
like this.
Okay.
And that way we could put the TV, we could mount it with like a telescopic mount so that it could come out this way.
Oh, okay.
But if we have the door able to stop at a certain point, we could have like a little awning or whatever that goes across here.
Is that mainly for shading the TV
Yeah,
so we
to
can
shade
see it?
the TV so you can see the TV.
Okay, that makes sense.
So there would be like an awning here, and we're just short enough to be able to walk maybe
Yeah.
underneath it.
Just short enough, you're right.
And then the TV here, and that way if we wanted to set chairs up to watch the TV, you could do that.
Yeah, in this little general area.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that way too, the TV's not like on the outside of the trailer. You don't have to move it.
See, I was thinking we would mount it to the door.
Okay. You want to do that? It's
We can
already
still-
got these grabbies guys there. I
Well,
don't know
right.
what that is, but they look like they want to be used.
We can still put it on like a articulating mount
Yeah.
so we can move it wherever we need to.
Okay.
Unless if it goes in there, if it can swing out far enough, I guess.
No, I think that's
But-
fine if you feel good about that.
Yeah, we'll see what kind of TVs we have in the basement that I pulled off the side of the street and see what will fit.
Okay.
Okay.
Just so long as the red color works.
True.
And then, so that's the TV and the awning. And then a toilet, like you had said,
Toilet with a light.
with a light. I put that on there.
So then if we use this door, the side door, as like a little tiny bathroom. So if we put a wall right here, we can get like a little RV style toilet. You know, kind of like campers have or whatever.
Yeah.
And I think that would work. Doesn't have to be anything special. You can still flush it, and then everything goes in the bottom like tank. And we just flush that out. We'll figure that out later.
Okay.
Don't worry about that part.
Okay. Maybe the first thing we gonna have to do is clean up the outside.
Yeah, outside's very, very dirty because it was parked back over there in the yard for many years. So it's really, really dirty. And I even washed it before I used it last.
You washed it real good.
I did. I scrubbed the crap out of it, but
Yeah.
all of this is just really, really stained. So if we clean it and it doesn't get much better, maybe we could just paint it.
Yeah.
Nothing special, just something that we can
Right.
roll on it and make it look a little bit nicer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make it look not like it came out of the backyard.
Okay. We'll have to put like a little handle and a lock in here so you can close the door and put a little lock in there. Not that we're going to be tailgating with a bunch of people or anything, but
You never know. There were a lot of people that said that if we built it, they would come.
okay, so we'll be expecting at least 5 people.
4.5.
Okay. Cool.
Do you think white is the better color? I see some people with black, but geez.
I would,
that get
trust
hot?
me, I would like a black trailer.
Ooh, it'd go with nice with your truck.
It would go very well
The
with my
white
truck.
would go with my Jeep.
It would.
I don't have a hitch on my Jeep, so.
Yeah, I would love to paint it black. You know, that would look really good, but it'll be super, super hot in there.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. So I think white would be probably the best choice.
Yeah, okay.
And then what about for the inside?
Oh yeah, we gotta do something about that.
Yeah, and I'm hopefully nothing like crazy.
What does that mean? Crazy?
I mean, I don't want to be replacing like all the wood and all that kind of stuff in here. If we can keep all this wood and just like paint it or do something to it, that would be fine.
Yeah,
You got any other plans? Floor plans?
I think I got some ideas.
Okay.
Aesthetically, I think that's it.
Yeah, we don't have to be too crazy. I don't think I'm gonna do anything with the roof in here. I'll probably just leave all that. And then some people mentioned adding solar panels.
Oh yeah.
which we could
think that's-
potentially do on the roof.
Oh.
But
okay.
I was thinking if we don't put them on the roof, I do have 2 portable solar panels that we could just throw out on the ground somewhere.
Yeah. You know what I saw a video on is some guy who had the solar panels on his fence. They were just like stuck to the side of his fence.
Okay. Yeah, we could do that. We could hang them here right along the side.
Well, what if you hung them and you put
Prop them up.
Yeah.
We could potentially do that,
Is
even
that-
on both sides.
Is that a thing?
Yeah,
Like
we can make it a thing.
wings?
Yeah, just like wings. Anything else? Should we let the viewers choose the power station we're going to use? Or should we maybe like rotate them and test them out and see if they all work okay?
Oh, that's an idea.
Yeah, we can start with one and just rotate through them and see.
That's a good idea.
To the couple that we do have.
I like that. Because I was thinking the anchor one, because it's tall and thin and it wouldn't take up a big footprint inside
Right.
there.
Yep.
But then, again, if you're driving and stuff like that, the more squatty it is, probably the safer.
But we can always lay that one down too.
Oh.
That one's designed to be laying on its side as well.
Oh my gosh, look at that pink car.
Holy crap.
That's cool. It's like a flamingo.
It is. Yeah.
But if it were laying down, it would take up a lot of room on the ground.
Not necessarily. I mean, what are
Well-
you going to be putting in here?
Anyway,
It's just storage whenever we're driving.
yeah,
I mean, you got plenty of room in there to store stuff.
table, chairs, crock pots, food, mini fridge.
Oh, if we do a mini fridge, okay.
Because you know what else the mini fridge is? If somebody felt like grilling, then the mini fridge could hold like the food to grill.
Okay. Yeah.
Still need one of those electronic coolers or battery coolers. What are
We
they?
do.
What is that?
Like a portable fridge. It's basically what they are. Freezer fridge. You can do both. You can
Still
do.
want one.
Yeah. Yeah, one of those would be very handy for something like this.
Okay.
Is that it? Got a rough plan?
Yeah, real rough.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
I
that's all
think-
we were doing.
Once we start, then one thing will lead to the next thing.
I agree with that.
Okay, so we'll start on the cleaning her up.
Yeah, we'll start
The
by
old girl.
we'll start by cleaning everything up inside and outside. And then I got to see how much those little toilet things are for over there. I think they're
I thought
like
you already knew.
I have an idea, but there's, a million of them. So I'll just try to find one that's fairly inexpensive, $80 to $100.
Okay.
And that's so you can still flush it. I mean, you don't want just a bucket, right?
I don't know what's out there. You would know better, and you know me and what I will and won't do.
Okay. And then our budget for this is very low.
I'm hoping to spend as little money as possible.
Okay.
Because I feel like we have a trailer, that's the biggest thing.
Yes.
We have a power station, that's another biggest
We have a
thing.
TV.
Okay, and we have a TV.
We also have that mini fridge we got from your dad.
We have a
We
mini
could
fridge.
we could use that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
we
we
have
have-
all the things minus like paint and a toilet and a few other odds and ends, I would imagine.
Yeah, if we can get out of this for less than $200.
Oh, 200.
Oh, well, what
I
did
think
you
the
think?
toilet might be like 80 to 100.
Okay, well, what do you think the rest of it's gonna cost?
Paint? I don't know how much paint is.
I think it'd be okay.
Okay. And then your floor and a wall? How about 300?
$250.
Okay. All right, we'll figure out a budget for this. Oh, we still have to re-register the trailer.
$300.
300. Okay.
Gone.
Okay, so if there's anything else that you guys can think of that we need for this tailgating trailer, let us know.
Send us the money.
Send us the money and put those suggestions down in the comment section. And what else? Is that it?
Yeah, we'll definitely take suggestions, obviously, because our plans are pretty rough.
Yeah.
I'm sure they'll change as we go, like any great renovation project.
Yeah. And we'll try to film the entire thing.
Oh, yeah.
Like a little mini series.
I love a good mini-series.
Yeah. Okay, that's pretty much all we got. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Deuces.
Shenanigans.
Oh,
See?
I feel like a nerd.
Why?
I also feel like you were hiding this hat from me.
I tried giving that hat to you, I think, before we left on our trip. And you said, no, it doesn't go with my outfit.
I feel like this goes with every outfit.
Well, that's what I said, but
That was a lie. Okay.